Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel at Unique Beauty Pro, where makeup, beauty, and lifestyle happens. If you are stopping by for the first time, hi, my name is Rachel, and to all my existing subscribers, thanks for sticking around. I appreciate you all. So, in today's video, I will be sharing with you some tips on how to maintain your wig installation and how to make it last longer. So the first thing you want to consider is using a strong glue. You need to use a strong adhesive and enough of it, like 2 to 4 thin layers. And bear it in mind, guys, not all these glues have the same hold time. Some are meant for daily use or short term, like you wear them for like 1 to 3 days, while others are formulated for 1 to 2 weeks. Another tip is you have to make sure you use a waterproof long wear adhesive. Your skin should be properly prepped before applying your adhesive. Avoid oils and sweats. Also, you need to avoid makeup on your hairline, leftover makeup on your hairline, because it makes the glue weak. You want to make sure you clean your skin thoroughly and prep your skin for glue application. Other tip is you need to tie down your edges at night, because the friction from your pillowcase or moving around while you sleep will lift the lace sooner. You always want to wrap your edges with melt band because it keeps it sealed and intact. Don't get your edges wet too often, you have to protect it. Don't apply too much glue, you just need enough layers, like I said earlier, like 2 to 3 4 thin application, then press it down tightly with a melting band. As you can see, I'm making use of my melt band on each step. You want to make use of your dryer on cool as possible, as it helps grips the lace and the glue, if that makes sense. I actually rocked this install for 6 days and I got rid of it. You can copy your waterproof adhesive and makeup products and other beauty essentials from our online beauty store at Unique Beauty Essentials _wigs on Instagram. We are just a DM away. And this is a sign to book your wig install appointment with the right plug, you know what I mean. So book your appointment with us today. I hope these tips helps. If you find this video helpful, please click the like button, comment and share your thoughts, as it encourages me to do more. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Ta-da! Bye.